There are 5 stages in piping design engineering career. Unless you know about these stages, you will not be able to prepare yourself. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So the first stage in piping design engineering career is groundwork. This is a stage that lasts nearly around 3 to 5 years of your experience. So here you will be working in all piping design engineering activities, which is known as core piping design. Right from reading the P&ID, preparing the piping layout, working in 2D, working in 3D, preparing the MTO, preparing data sheet, every activities. So unless you go through this stage, you will not be able to understand how piping design engineering workflow process is all about. So you have to dedicate your time in order to learn each and every activities in micro level to the mega level, so that you will be able to improve your proficiency in these activities to move to the second stage. The second phase is design lead. This is a phase that may last nearly around 2 to 3 years of your experience. So in this phase, you will be leading a team of 3 to 10 designers. So you will have to assist them, you will have to mentor them, guide them in all piping design engineering activities. That is why it's really important for you to go through the groundwork, which is the first stage of piping design engineering career. Unless you go through that stage, you will not be able to assist or mentor or lead the team. So during this phase, you will be handling a project which will be executed through the designers. So you will have to give them right instructions, follow them, control them, and get the deliver as per your requirements. Then you will be moving on to the third stage. The third stage is managerial phase. This is a stage that lasts nearly around 3 to 5 years of your experience. Here you have to do a very critical engineering as well as management oriented activities. One of the very important activities is estimation. You will have to do estimation in such a way that brings cost to the company, that brings more profit to the company. And moreover, you will have to build good relationship with the client. You will have to negotiate with the client in such a way that you can bring lot more projects from the client. You will have to have a good relationship with the internal management on within your team. You should know how to pick the right resources so that you can get this particular job done. You should know how to motivate the team. All these are managerial activities, which is not an easy activity. There are people unsatisfied with the work pressure. There are people unsatisfied with the salary. There are people unsatisfied with the total environment or because of the toxic colleague behaviors. So you will have to manage everything. So managerial phase is not an easiest phase. You will really have to maintain the projects, and also you will have to motivate the team. By doing this, you will be gradually moving to the fourth phase, which is known as to become a specialist. This is a phase that may last nearly around 4 to 5 years of your experience. So here your focus is to improve your knowledge to get an edge in every areas of piping design, right from plot plan, piping layout, materials, stress, and international standards. You will have to do a lot more preparation in order to get more clarity in the subjects, so that you can give a confidence to the management and the client that you will be able to handle any technical clarifications or any technical complications in the project. So this is how you will be helping yourself and as well as showing the client that you are ready to move forward for bigger responsibilities. By which you will be going to the next stage, which is the last and final stage. The fifth stage is head of engineering. We can give different names to this particular role. However, the roles and responsibilities remain same. We can name it as head of engineering or head of the department or project manager or head of project engineering, whatever you like. However, the roles and responsibilities always remain same. But one of the fantastic part of this particular role is this is one of the longest phase in piping design engineering career. If you had started right from your 20th years of experience, you will have 25 years of experience more, 25 years of period more actually. So if you had started from 25th years of experience, you will still have 20 years. So this is one of the very longest phase and most challenging phase. Here you will be acting as a boss. You will be taking bigger responsibilities. You will be handling bigger projects, more manpower, bigger cost in billions and millions actually. You will have to do many important things in the project, not only the design part and also the management part as well. That is how you are equipped to particular role, because you had done a groundwork. You had become a design lead, then you had become a managerial role, you have become a specialist. Now you are capable to handle the bigger post, which is known as the boss, head of engineering. These are the 5 stages in piping design engineering career. I hope this video has helped you to understand how a piping design engineer can progress in their career. I will meet you with another fantastic video. Until then, bye from Subhash Chandran.